Some children have difficulties learning to read, and it can take them longer to acquire the skills. This can be due to not being at school and having the appropriate teaching and the appropriate exposure, but some children certainly have a specific reading difficulty where they find learning the sounds, putting the sounds together, reading the words, understanding the words can be difficult. And certainly by the age of 7, children should start to be confident in reading and gain some confidence. If children are continuing to have difficulties at this sort of age, 7 or 8, then it's worth actually looking a bit further into why they're not acquiring those skills. If they've been at school and had good teaching, some of the signs that you might look out for are that children may find it difficult, first of all, to learn their alphabet. They might find it difficult to do rhyming, so cat, bat, hat, sat. Rhyming games they might not have learnt so easily. They might find it difficult to do syllabification, being able to break down the words, caterpillar, being able to break them down into syllables. And they may have letters back to front like B's and D's, or get their sequences of letters or words in the wrong way. If you're seeing these signs, these may be signs of a reading difficulty like dyslexia. And we do see that these sort of difficulties sometimes run in families. So if you have other children or yourself have had difficulties as a child, then you might want to seek some expert referral for appropriate assessment. If your child has got difficulties learning to read, then usually the most appropriate person to see is somebody called an educational psychologist, or sometimes you need to see somebody with expert training like a teacher, specialist teacher, or some people get referred to a speech and language therapist if there is a query about receptive language, how you understand language, and expressive language, how you talk and express the words you need to understand.